Welcome to Lesson 5 Project Design for the Teachers Management System. In this session, we will explore how thoughtful planning leads to successful software. You will learn the key phases of design and how they shape the entire development process. Project design is the structured plan that guides software development. It helps organize resources, define requirements, and shape strategies, all before a single line of code is written. It is the blueprint that turns ideas into working systems. A well designed project ensures the system meets the user expectations, reduces errors, and makes implementation smoother. It also improves long term maintainability, helping your application evolve over time. Project design includes three key phases. First, requirements gathering, understanding what the system should do. Second, database design, structuring how data will be stored and retrieved. And third, UI UX design, creating interfaces that are intuitive and visually appealing. In the requirements phase, we identify what the system should accomplish. We talk to users, document their needs, and define the features and workflows that will support them. Database design involves structuring how data is stored. We define tables, relationships, and constraints to ensure efficient access and data integrity. This is the backbone of any management system. UI UX design focuses on how users interact with the system. We create interfaces that are clear, responsive, and easy to use. A good UI makes the system feel natural and enjoyable. To summarize, project design lays the foundation for successful development. By addressing requirements, data structure, and user experience, we create a clear path for building the teachers' management system. If you have questions or want to explore your own project design ideas, let us dive in. I'm here to help you shape your vision.